Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock images, only way. Begin by choosing a niche and list concept ideas, then set up basic lighting and a reliable backdrop. Shoot raw files with consistent exposure, and preview images to refine poses and props. Edit efficiently by batch processing color, crop to common ratios, and export multiple sizes for marketplaces to increase chances of sale. A simple, repeatable shooting setup saves time and improves quality. Use a tripod and consistent lighting to maintain sharpness and uniform shadows. Choose natural light or a small continuous kit, then shoot RAW and bracket exposures for safety. Keep compositions simple, include negative space for overlays, and vary focal lengths slightly to offer buyers options. Consistent metadata and keywords after the shoot speed up uploads to stock sites. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, is a nice companion for creative entrepreneurs, so check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Edit with a streamlined workflow to turn more images into sellable assets. Import and cull quickly, then apply batch color corrections and lens corrections. Crop versions for 16:9, 4, 5, and square, and export at standard pixel sizes with clear file names. Add gentle sharpening, remove sensor spots, and ensure accurate color profiles. Consistent keywords and clear file naming help clients find and license your images faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.